Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi omuruburi kubwatya nabo kurigirirwa na kiro muntu.
Mbia mana sana mwancho muligeria bugeta sene Ensoko ne biro binda nende tokumerana asomorobilio bwekiage kyomugusi elinde tosemanie twimanye na kyomugusi agendeta kwenyorera eng'ere yaye yakira lituko kwira libageri gali abene gukwarigania asomorobilio iga elinde toesemie ase obwamo inyora ayonsi naboko yabwate gwetera chinchira chiekerero asensemeri ya Facebook Ensoko TV nabiga sensemeri ya YouTube Ensoko TV Eliane Kerubo Frida Karansoike elinde toesemie amange tiangiriri bageri gali abene kwarigania omugeni ase omorobiriga elinde atumanye na kyakorukwa na ndinga yakoro karibu sana.
Yamano Frida asamaje tangoro kwa Elias Mabiria nomusi iga nonka bona iga asega asiane gondo mwalimu wa mangana manufacturing ekiagera igombwa tukwegena konenga injira yo katurasa yo botaka turarsagie injira kurugusina abana baitu banyore ikiake mubuko soko kolegasi egere banyore kibesha batonje abaratonde bosaba gusiba mwa bose batote kurusiko unabona ngubito minto ngote yo mena na bichimugondo abane kulindo gukimo byasamba ibyo.
Asante sana Elias kerkende no moiboro korwara yi ngayo kinerete
Biyamano sana igo ubwe wari botagani wana bule twali cheki ase village ya Mochengo andi kona somete Mochengo primary school kwa bunga mana go join my father Nairobi kwa bunga ma ko ende college India ngataranye sema tukanse chinse chinyingi especially India Norway Singapore na Japan kidogo na China na ndika bomo minyo Canada sana somete kulende amatuka makaya maiga iriga na minya America kana retire to active work nka retire to state ya Minnesota acha igari gasi tugusi with intention also manufacturing egere abana baito boro keruna onyi byage bya buri bikyagara gituma ko sayo ko mu ko baka magongo bone kapitlinga ro bano gatoko basomya bakole bintu ya makono nabona kiwande kimere ganese sema ya boka manufacturing au process bananas lekini kibine ga vijana biro bya na bya Kivukisi University lakini bana biko ga factory na ndina wano zingamya walese kubati ya manufacturing
ile story ne maiga kego ngwate banga ngwachite college India timepingi wachite gusomera
ino na chite gusomera ikiabete ekelia kana ringe school Kenya ite awate university actually awate no university labda Kenyatta University na mwenye maitira wa yaringe college of education iwe university ya ringe no university na ndiko positions ya go so wana bana bale kwa universities days bale kwa mwagenda form 6 from form 6 mwaita kana form 6 nje wana gwete ngakubuli fati kangora ngabona akana watu baganje mayota ya ngoma ya bona bono nubwete ga chief choka tanganya jana yani sabisha yani ayo bwete flat ngasoka sana ngachandika sana lakini ya form 4 na ite iye kagere kangali banga chukulia school machimumbu sema ya windi kagera other than Kenya India ata countries ko chali ko forms ya form 4 bona mangana form 6 ga ngi Britain naje lakini iye ga nkonya ekero na form 6 naje ko genda Kenya University sana wali wakagenda lakini ndende nchenka ngalia ngatumia form 4 kagenda buindi wasoma kwa ona that's I now started going to to study outside ngachakira mangana na gusomera theology mbo murandi kura randi ndigo beke na bo chake na bo
abora chake korandi
lakini wana kana chake te korandi igaikali bira ya betere ne kachenchi ngachaka kora mangana marketing wana in my college I trained as a marketing person mwana management na marketing lakini bora lende kana kidogo chaka nganga monte ya kwa vipi ndio marketing ndio manage it can force ngachaka my own company. So when I came from college wana chaka tibi asara yoko kora printing naenda wana kwa printing very successfully pakati ya 2000 kama kwenda America na ngenda America wana kana na back 2013 13 years in exile or in away from home. When I came back, I didn't want to do printing. I wanted to do teaching.
Okay, so that's what I do. Okay, go Elias. Kwa Rure College, kwa iranire Kenya.
Yes.
Ngaigua chakirite printing yao.
Abu umwana no takira kega. Ingakia 1985. President yangu yako kumoi akatabana kama wewe ni graduate. Serikali iongeze na watu wengine kila mtu aongeze kidogo alafu tuandike all graduates. So actually my year was the last year that everybody who went to college was employed. Tuanze kalipwa. Temini tinga tuwa kuna wana kana na kitu. Na nakata marketing na itu mu accountant kama mu accountant Kenyatta International Conference Center and the Ministry of Tourism Garaba. I worked for 3 years. It was a very painful time. So I nanya ya rosire nga decide ngabona gonko genda nkore my own printing. So nkagenda Germany. Atuka na rata leo na my business yako genda. Nkagenda Germany. So after going to Germany nkanyora abantu babwate interest na baro bate ko invest in Kenya bakora printing ya sekansa yabo. Tokaiwana ngatiga bango de machine nandi banga mesankego egere inchakire printing mba printing vitabu nandi ngaki it was illegal for you to be found with the foreign money. Bona abantu abakaba yabona na nyasabu na rumya abantu akaba yabakanganjira imba oneli yari mba printer nandi banga kibeza nandi bakamera kibeza bona bakanga free machines neba kanga some money kiana bwate besa ngachaka mangana printing
uwa koleta marketing.
Yes.
Eko reseti womanyi ba printing.
I like that one. Ena chete maistagala kone company yale kwa Lengo Press. I think NCCK go say NCCK I think which charge one of those charges. A printing press yega mugichi man sa ngo mugichi. Lakini mbali gwanje montage ndaime. So what happened you my sister nkanyora basumbuke tenga typesetting yasinyete kaze meko bara mabakwo mana because of typesetting yarenga an issue. Ingate my sister I can use a computer typeset. Kana na America and Canada na metamanzi computer kidogo. Nobody was using typesetting in Kenya. So ngadi use a computer kokora typesetting ye eka hokia abantu sana national newspapers wakama guchaka go copy ngakore magazine ya Catholic yale ko Amani. Is it Amani or anyway Catholic something yale ko Westlands. Westlands. So because of that ekona chaka nana kama abantu there was a printing problem because of typesetting all my son ki inda sakole kwenda nda sakole machine ndo asibasa akante ko be millionaire ngataputira chipasa nkulike. Actually that's how I started. My sister made me decide to go to printing. One of also soma and I knew this was a good idea, and the young people actually because I saw there was when printing my missus on time it's millions. No, I did imagine no musi. No, I did given a secretary. I go to Rich about Robert Tanzania, which about printing Baganda, about to go to South Sudan, under the war. Bagante, you can make money. So I was very excited. That's how to interest Bonica and Takanaka machine tamati how to print. Yakara Germany, Bakanga machine. Nkaka ni manyete, lakini kasajine abagide wanto karega. Takona kubanyega to Keregan. Ayatewa kwa korole, God will provide a way. Musu ya tanga panaponia, pananjia. So where there's a will, there's a way. Musu ya tanga muminjoni tanga na musiraibu. So abana baiti gate bate ba kona koba aba seralibu teba minchuri wali ki opportunities bona kento kia bete karo nanya ya berigo nkayonga tima itu manyi nkama kogenda bono nkabanta aba gakitochi konsoya nkabanta aba iga manager iga nagenda lunch hour nayigurira esona to kunywa bante nini namugurira soda nagurira chips bono agantia nagenda workshop yakona kuli chips ganda workshop akona ke workshop again very important for technology transfer aba muromba ni ko mukuru kwa kot no odoyo ba mari ko machine sana ngabunga lakini ya konje mutai ko nsomeri aya no ko baganda no so mito kumanya ngabate krango ya ranch baganda ranch ngo kuolera na yurato gore bono ngagenda ranch awe every time nagenda go ranch chips yale ni 1 shilling and 50 cents. Na soda was I think 30 cents. A soda. One because of that na ko and na spend 5 shillings na go chop the lunch. Lakini the price ba so want to get sana. Igonga my technology na yigurite with those
lunch. Okay. Bono kwa saida semirimo ya printing ngai gwachete gotiga gwatiga na mangana printing na ndo kaenda chinse chesiko na ndi ngi kiagera toka genda ro.
Mbiyamano. Ikona got printing na bana ro siebe sange. And I didn't know that I had man actually. When I took my America, abana pali baguzibara me kwa tinga lakini naye mabiria noura ko batebi nanki okora batenki utete tokora chibesa kikole printing nelia udanki wa tokora when I was embarrassed na achira America but taken to kiagarte ka America when I invested in 3%. I was among the first Africans for Korosi factory na 3%. The building still there. Actually it's a big facility. I gonna bet na golete na tenga wana I mean na bet able ko sake factory hiyo inkaweka printing gamini kaweka plastic machines manufacture plastic packaging and film inkagera paka China ngala those machines I talked with some banks locally nganya chwa sankagera because of printing na had access to money and I had access to banks so bank kanga chwa sankagera ngabura ekona na install the capacity to make ima ko gana tabunga in Kenya onye ko lipi said even to be beyond speaking onye koromo Kenya you cannot make it from EPZ or in Kenya kanya na take the understanding of how EPZ works in Singapore how EPZ works in China bono nikagenda ngatanga this thing I can do it kana jabantu kata ngatinko ni kachikwera sababu sabale ngoro bakankani I was so frustrated nandiro makana lengo bongole ndege nando bijana kare wachi basankora bongo kwa ndwanga bono ngatsa dinga ko imagine kwenda America I went to America as an investor as a visa wala kwa L1 visa kamuke family announce kagenda kwa America yeah rongorwa wanike na makisabiri it was very tough I lost everything I could lose inka tour a trucking company which was doing very well about 9 trucks I done over $1 million of worth of business in 1 year but I had lost $120,000 which is roughly 15 million shillings bono ngacha wetu mata but as I came and come to realization ngenda kana bango somya abana baito na that's how now it's setting a no losing money in America I'm an old person now it's not what I need to do is to go back home and teach so now when I story about it when America was in protest because I was told think on into Kenya came inja gara America and then I got it and born America na rondo chichi traki akiri kia beten kelinga 207 in America economy went very bad out of 9 trucks our drivers bagatama chigali chibengi na wa chiga kira kira but now I was stuck one na nyaro ko abatara ba chire chibengi ngote bye nganji kuji gali ino bate yaya gacha chigali abu kyari chibengi chonse were having vehicles abantu bali ba police vehicles America kire ndo police so these vehicles chonse abantu ngwende bali kana bakwere bagata na gakito twani so but eventually katika no driver ya mukuru magana Bernard is still my good friend tukabavere ngaja kwa ndi chigali chibere chinde ngaja abandon actually but after stabilizing and finding that I know about manufacturing. Here I'm driving trucks, and I'm having pain in America just because Moi was no longer president, Kibaki was president. I said I am going back home because even people were saying the economy has changed. Kibaki has allowed even motorcycles to work. Everything was okay. And when I came to Kenya, I was very, very excited. In Kenya, there was a tenant in my building in the factory. It's possible to make money in Kenya, so I decided to come back. Libankoba Nairobi, and Kokorega as a 3YP where I have a factory, even now the building is standing there. In that side now, I'll go to Kisii and teach Omugusi among manufacturing. So that's what it is.
Nguyo kwa kuligereria sensemo ya manufacturing buka ugatwara interest ugateva one day I'll be a manufacturer.
Oh, two people. When I was in Singapore, ngakoro mugako likorunga James Cheng. James Cheng was paint. So and even today I have a big passion for paint. I wish I could partnership with paint because remember in building it about paint, you have to paint everything. So James Cheng inspired me. Like when I was in Canada, Elijah Joseph Cosman, he got to the seminar how you can make money in your own business. Ayani inspired me till today. The man is old and dead now, but you can inspire to know that you can make money on your own. When I came back to Kenya, I wanted to do my own business. Lakini kone Kenya kanya tata na wanga nyete mama wanga wana ya aywa so mirega. Nande nya chana ya nengu muku bagatanga nya chano so banya chana banya ine nya chago konya. Ono inchika kitende kuliko. Ya utwate boga ende kuliko. No to so metio muntu katende kaki. Lakini bwana nikagenda ngapply tingo apply tena apply kiande ngento tena biashara file kromo yata bakromo ntali so now I was forced in Kaliko by force but 3 years later I left. I abandoned work. I don't think I was even fired. I abandoned work nikagenda samangana. My passion has always been business by the man in Singapore and the man in Canada who told me he was an American but living in Canada. I had this story. I saw me at Balm Spring. I don't know what it was. I saw me pass off at the Chiria Menata. Na Paratillo. Covering a Kimmo Menata. And to Toko and I got to Yoma and to understand the Kuimuka. When I was in America, in Canyola, actually, helicopter, Paraboli, Kungunega, helicopter. Then we went out at a way park. It's a Chimpachi, Kakromata helicopter. I know as you come about the helicopter back again. So it is a practical life you have over the cheat. One can I take another thing over the cheat, you want a kinda, call it Avana.
Okay. Despite Covera, Chinse Chisuko, biashara bikago frustrate kikiagatana ne Kenya batebanga tugurugoro gonchero yaro
ndio mwana sana ekatikia wetu kitanga ni manyanga biashara mbia sinyete because I left Kenya as a rich person. I went to America actually as an investor. When I look back it was very foolish. Maybe I really was foolish because all the money I took to America I lost it all. But you see, in business, when you lose, if you don't lose the brain, you can always begin again. It's like you go Montana go and achieve somewhere 1 million. After 2-3 months, you don't have any money because the way is such a way to go. Actually, give them 1 year. All the money will come back from Abataka because they know how it works. And that's what I feel because of my old age now. It can be done. And a good example, the factory of banana yaboka in Kisii, it actually came out as a result of my teaching.
Na twaresera ngaki kerengereri kigiachete ndio mona sana umwanchu muligeria bugeta seni gensoko nigo tokendete gusanganere Elias Babire uyu ro morokia ndwiga sensemo ya buka it uyu korokia mangana manufacturing korendete toraswa sensemo ya kabiri studio tokoira na ndobe togusanga amange.
Ye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi onye kubwatari ibolyo obosemia gusekero kendi gyonsiguro y'emirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakere simi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri uko email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi ebagotebanga yogose komwelyo nero gose kabya maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete senikia usigete Ensoko TV bonigo yakirenga kingo koleta nganya sai nigonda koletro murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia murobili nigonda olete amuna basomba banyasae abu astra ko batukwegera lingana sobwagale nantalia yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noboroli ntunyale koba tukurwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liya bande bagotebanga Jumamosi abande batebanga Saturday chinsa ikomirebere chamambia uweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora ncho mulisyo ngaga nabasomba banyasaye ntokoletere umurubiri bweleso seseni
ase miziki yabagaka eli abantu bakonga kongire chinengo chacha kiriko choga ya rumba naboigo ntukwi babasaye aba bakurwa jijenzi emisiki ekogenda bwange bwate chi atalaku
le général Dangote anaweka oye mose kunambi Ricardo Momo oye mama Dangote
netaliane Edwin Nyang'au Edwin mwana mboka nzube ya bololo tumerane kila litukolie Jumamosi kati ya saa 10 uweka ensa AM Chigosori inegatibo bundi obwo bwanchire na gotono mono nsengima nabono nigona yira mbarato asena bakuba kingo kwigekera emegano y'abanyangongo au kure bituna abyagusi abo obachire nkuma ase Chigosori au egati abo chinchire chaba munyoko amone bisero obyenkoyo ego ikachingongo au chinse imeyo muruberio obwenda basi y'abanyangongo emegane yonse nigora enyore aiga imigeteseni kyao kyabene Ensoko TV oboroso obwo mogusi na nche Daniel Omwaga na botambe nigo bagontona Erieta Suarez Mukabora ingerango oye Chigosori yabarire.
We've never seen anybody win 3 in a row.
Bona omwancha omurigereria ayebune mutitire bwe Chigosori au nobe na kirengencho yokokokera.
Goal! Absolutely astonishing. What about that from Gareth Bale?
Egeteseni kia Ensoko TV. Bona onge kuchunchugere kokwariganiria na kokwerera Chigosori au obwekeranu. Tomo chako bwata etariki inainche Daniel Omwaga goseko gwancha nabo ogontona Erieta Suarez amagosori webegi iyokolyo keraritko olyo Jumamosi igochakera egetone gichinze sano na isato chiamogaso goika 10 chamaragoba ase omuroberi ebwe Chigosori amo nabanyangongo ase na kumanyana gokorosera ayatekire ase Chigosori
and he's awarded a penalty.
Mirna nabali bechinguru elikwe manyabo na wataka kuchitanya chense Frida Kerubo Innocent Onyango Clinton Ondegi Diana Ndemo Ishmael Mogere Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke na kigekos kia mesa ya mang'ana maya.
Mwanchi murigereria ntobe tugwikirana ase chichiro ase tokumurikira ng'aki ebimeri bikorwa ase megondo nabo igwa kugwikira aye omwanchi omurigereria ntobe tokurigereria amagori y'ebimeri buna chinyanya amatoke amarabuani nebinde ebinge igo tosikatonyegera gende gotengera egetaseni gya Ensoko TV obona buboroso obomogusi Eliane Kerubo Frida.
Eye ni Ensoko TV, oboroso bumugusi.
Stadium tigabaire gochege tima ataria. Intu bato tige no twanyoreira abana baitu no tokonyore besa twakane sukuru aso gwanja. Intu tigabato tige ntokwa.
Abamenyi bamagwagwa kwemurunganirio ko gosererirwa gutagwirwa chiduka na serikali ya county.
There are a few things I will not do. One of them, I will not steal a penny from the Kenyan people.
Kingo chigwanchira obukurumia ase serikali yane oyo koriekerwo kyoborai bwense David Maraga oenekeirie ba Kenya.
Mbali na kuwa kiongozi hapa Emurua Dikirr, Ng'eno pia alikuwa kiongozi katika jamii yetu.
Aboigo murai bwense William Ruto nigara eamate abasani naboiga bairi ase misoko mwene nyagosiro mojumbe bwense mwe bunge ya Emurua Dikirr Joanna Ng'eno ase kaunti ya Narok.
Eye ni Ensoko TV, oboroso bumugusi.
sana mwanchi murigereria bwegetaseni gya Ensoko nende ngukwarigania ase ntunda ya kabiri chinga kitogendete gusanga emiyomorobiri w'ikiaga ky'omugusi asitogendete gusanga nere Elias Mabiri akonya tutarasoso mutimuko mokeigo mwanchi murigereria nabakagukwanira iguru yoguchakia factory gigasorgo ngorwa gusi baroro bakumetinga factory nero rogusi Mabiri factory nero gusiga
ande ngia ya chakete na ideas program na national government pamoja na county government akaro ya chaka bakariyo muntu ugocha kugera ase umwaka mugima banyora umwana funzi nale gosomia agacha apply kama teibabe factory yagachiri gachu apply yani kara apply tabantu kabusana baye bagaseka sana kwa wamana kama teibi yayibwa no mata mangana kidogo togende umwana lingo apply nimbabe kama apply agaseka ante mabiri to basaka ngeli gentekyo nkero umwana ngeka apply serikali ikateba tura nyoronde umuntu ana kamwana akajaruka European Union yarwete chibesa factory chakwa gacho igateba mwanya romuntu onye mutanya atio muntu ige factory getegere finya bagada twanyora kamwana kanyaruka bagada kuna kutagete kama etikende ya kuna kutagete umwana akaba kwa the factory for the next 30 years lakini oje factory na nkongo chaka chibesa ni chinkongo nyora because to run this factory at one point it was like some days you have to spend $1 million a day to run it, which was very difficult. So one of the want lakini nende aso kumo train akakuwa na investors, so she was able to raise enough money from American investors and akanyora even local those out of support. On top of that, the county government serikali ya Gavana Arati it has been very supportive na kero deport ikibaga nyibare cross karabana ba kirite gavana si igabwate university akabatebi igure 2 weeks later abana akabaki up bakanalivisa ofisi yakabana kabakesi kwa tenga imune mocha Nairobi immediately akaba no mutaka baira bakasi ase abantu ba customs ose abantu bakere abantu bakabateye abana buwe michando yale ngoro gabana metetua mugenda mu machine chini iko iye kakonya sana. So from there no ya bwatobo kongu na ikiwa chalenge chinkongu no nya system ya lenga kongu at least the government was very supportive, especially the county government.
Wako na bukalenga umwana kwale basome.
Yes,
kai kwale basome.
Kana rwete mumbu natagete ko join na serikali ni university local Kagana University. I was not able to meet people. Kakwana Professor Hausa, a good friend of mine, childhood friend. Agante bigana kongo taimangana tema kagenda MOU, I think Management University of Africa or something like that. Bagante bigandi kwa neki but born inkacha Kis University kanyoroba kongo kake. Lakini that was vice chancellor Professor Kama that time. Agante bigandi kwa nebia. After some time bakangala bagante inkapata yo na bagosomye sabuni for free. I don't want to teach soap. I know how to teach it, but I don't think you can make money from soap because in Kenya you have to be a refiner to run a soap business, otherwise you will fail. It's difficult raw materials. Bono professor karante wetina you come and teaching gasomba akarobuna bagasomba bana bakayubia akateba karangira professor bana kabate umuntu ibinda kwa nebia mo space a university ayatata degree half a million tutumie to kwa budgeting kego, then you can teach what you're doing. That's how mwana ya wetu po mwana galinga university ifisi kamubra lakini it was so good yakana msometi how to turn plastic which oil tukama kurua raka agowine competition akawana between Kenya and what 100,000, the sweetest 100,000 money I've ever gotten. Umwana uyo karacha kirabo akagenda Europe could represent the university. The university was to be a class because I had enrolled and has gone expensive. As one a competition kana kati professor ngaki umwana ubirengo mo sponsor agataba yes bono mwana agatumiru ekro mwana ya Europe. She was mad agataba njabona to come manufacturer nani school integrity born today as a manufacturer based on the exposure and your Europe. So again to kana kati we cure Frida abana wetu mbuwa exposure na ende mbamaiti opportunities chilabero. Because of that I felt ngongo chakusi chakoro kia abana baitu and I consider foods. Manufacturer igase bokaisi on your time no to go tari grocery cookies na chiabere the most acceptable product cha banana very good na ndo sakwenda ye town ya Usi na wono sakogenda supermarket like Gadmat. They have been the most supportive by the stock igonga sakogenda Gadmat na bokutimya school chetu anye biskiansi town ya mbugatu ogenda ogembo ogenda Krigoris ogenda Yugis ogenda Chebrat Nyangozo. Our products are there now. Abana baiga they are struggling. Remember as you see there's no other tea factories bana kwa manufacturing. Bona bana boy ko bashoming manufacturing inki obashoming kiego ajiko happen oboroking kiego chaka omakuru no bachaki. So it has been a very exciting experience as abana baiga bachakire babe kyogeza abana bandi bona bintu bikoroso ikine cookies na kile most successful grocery juice to service serikali to bwati sikiara njagu ya metemenge juice ya banana gibwate benefit nyingi sana sabana na kibacha ikoroso baro serikali ya Kenya caps ya approve packaging na regenderate ko source the proper materials igonga bako chaka packaging yo so abronge nkoroso to reduce in large scale cha banana chira baso consumer to kangonsi pia gusi bono ekarto goteba igo abana bakolega shina baitu arabu abangi na bagusimba no matipende kama to so na kitaka gotebia to cha kuganda serikali to batebe serikali has been very supportive tuzakwa boli ya ushanga esa ofisi ya gabana tego kana nechimini sekyaya atweli bagana nde atokonye kwa advertise abangi na bamanyite ko to bya matoke bibaga to set factory abindi echamba yo to bya abangi na ngo to ibata yari bono barike ndiba ko bategetsiko barike batobya amatoke into bwachigari kiragenda cyakuri karabato biri baba kwire kiro bayire kiro makari cyara kiro de gukora batabise abatoko bagafusali cyara de ko bono into we based on that amatoko konsipia yago tobagusi abatoko ya leta ya roshichis.
Okay, so kando no okoro kia bantu igoro ya manufacturing ngikeli nenda okora
Timate ikia na got ingo kara ingo kwa nani school sana. I talk about motivation and I organize young people to understand that now back across a better life in manufacturing. They can make a better life in business. I teach other things, also mean how to talk to investors, how to look for investors, which is very difficult. Abana baita karabanyo ngana batenga njirangana jake biashara abo timbu ati capital. No. There's so much capital looking for people. The problem is what they key. Bora kiri manufacturing. Bora kiri how to invest. Unabona mwana yomo. So that you understand. Omwana yomo inkamusoma na korosi ethanol from waste. Iga agenda Japan, iga serikali ya Japan ikamatenga mwere 4 million. As another group ikamatenga mwere another 5 million. That's 10 million umwana yako within a very short time kurumega iga. Bono na batenche mwere asigaba ngaba na usigako muligiri ase amubekere ama agacha ka factory kaya abantu abandi. There are other people who give more money but they haven't yet started.
Obaseme bawe cha soma nju muri ile mbrobyo.
Aso muri ya abaligire muri bafere abayiboli abayito. Abayiboli tagati umwana ali gasikira gasyo kumutete. Aroga akite inja abana bako chawo tuko freedom into every day. Abana batano bane komi abagera abagusi abayiko nani gasingoli gasi bakoli teyo. Abana baita bagusi bako chabana bake gasi teyo. Bone gento dasobi abana bagusi. Esomi ochake naende ase konyo tumaite soko chakira nabo bakogorangeri obatebi batemboro kesba bauzo chakira abayiboli batebi abana colleagues tebabona abana bale konte bindiko nana ate
yabona sana asosanga ndimbye mona sana umwancho muri area asosanga imeyo morobere bwekyage kyomogusi nigo twasanga nere Elias Mabiri kolende tumera ne chinga kichinde litera nenkero bo Frida.